Just come to this Mazda 3 2007. We've just picked open the boot and we've decoded the lock. We're going to cut the key and we're going to see if it works in this, and then we're going to program in one transponder. Cheers. Alright, we've just gone and tested the key. It does actually work. Put the window down, it's pretty hot today. We'll try it in the ignition. Yep. Try both sides. No resistance, beautiful. Alright, let's get the programmer so the boot can now go down. Try it on the boot. Yep. Yep. Let's program in a transponder. Because we still have some time left on the Smart Pro, we might as well use the Smart Pro. No tokens. So what we do need is, I'll just put the pin number in. So what we do need is 4D 63 40-bit. I won't use that one. What have I got there? 40 bits. Okay, perfect. So let's get this happening. Take one out. I did pull one of these transponders from another vehicle. Let's go into the Smart Pro. So I've got Mazda. Look for Mazda. There it is. I believe this is like a BK. Actually, it might be BK Series 2, which is just there. Connect. Make sure the ignition is on. Let's turn it on. Mobile lights flashing.
Have I known you 20 seconds, 20 years.
Turn that off. Forward pats, okay. So let's just try adding a key, actually, because he does have the key. The car is parked outside the front of his house, so if they do find, switch the ignition on with the key to be programmed. Okay, take that off, take it out, put it in. I'm gonna have to press that button. So key count is now gone to 3. So if they do find the other key, that will still work. Cycle keys to finish move. Okay, press the button. Procedure complete. Alright, done. So let's just take it out. Open the door. It's always a good idea to open the door. See the immobilizer light is flashing, so let's just wait for that. Holding the transponder and the key together. The car's running. It's always good just to give it a couple of, like a minute, or not a minute, but maybe 30 seconds or something like that, just to make sure that the car does run. Sometimes I give it a little bit of a rev, but not much of a rev because it's just warming up. And that's keys lost. So it is in their house. They do have the key, and I also noticed in the back there's a little baby seat, so likely what's happened is the kid has got the key and he's hidden it on the parents. That's the most likely situation. So he only wants one key, so we'll give him one key, and I bet you in a couple of weeks time the other key will show up and it'll be somewhere in a little toy box or little shoe or something like that. Okay, thanks for watching.